Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the image that will define the dock color. Use an editor to place a solid color or gradient bar at the bottom sized to your iPhone resolution. This is the color the dock will show. Once done, set that image as your lock/home wallpaper and choose Still. You need to access accessibility next, because the dock inherits the wallpaper only when transparency is reduced. These steps prepare the system to display your chosen color. Now you change how iOS composites the dock so your wallpaper shows through. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, then turn on Reduce Transparency. This removes the frosted blur and forces the dock to use the wallpaper pixels beneath it. That's the crucial why. Make sure the wallpaper remains still. If you used perspective, the bottom bar will move and no longer line up. If the colored band seems off, tweak the image and reapply until the bar. Finish by applying the final wallpaper and verifying the dock color on your home screen. You should see the colored bar through the dock immediately. If not, lock and unlock, and make sure Reduce Transparency is still on. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and double-check that the wallpaper is still and sized correctly for your model, because missized images or perspective mode are the usual culprits. One troubleshooting tip: toggle Reduce Transparency off then on again to force the system to redraw the dock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.